Fruit juice stimulates a medium effect in blood sugar and represents an excellent source of B vitamins, vitamin C, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. People with diabetes need to moderate their fruit juice intake as larger glasses of juice can substantially raise blood sugar levels. 1. Orange juice. Orange juice is packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B1, folic acid, and potassium. The USDA recommends that adults consume an average of 2 cups of fresh fruit per day. Therefore, diabetics should limit the amount of orange juice to less than 1 cup per day to avoid hyperglycemic loads. 2. Apple juice. Though apple juice has a lower glycemic index than orange juice, it provides less vitamin C, vitamin A, B1, and potassium, but it is also higher in manganese. The fiber component of fruits helps control peaks in blood sugar by decreasing its absorption through the duodenum. According to a medical study, apple juice with pulp appears a connection between ingestion of soluble fiber and reduction of hyperglycemic in diabetic patients. 3. Grape juice. The grape juice has the highest amount of sugar of the 3 juices, but its glycemic index remains at a low to medium effect. Grape juice is rich in vitamin A, thiamine, riboflavin, and magnesium, and also packed with chromium. The National Institute of Health describes chromium as a trace mineral that has shown positive effects in insulin activity. Insulin is the hormone responsible for stimulating glucose absorption in muscle cells. Finally, remember that the simplest way in managing your diabetes is to choose from a variety of products every day by limiting the amount of fruit juice you consume. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.